3. Hello everyone! So for tonight's vlog, ay bibili tayo ng ulam. Of course, don't forget to wear mask. Ayan. Wait lang. Okay. Then, of course, don't forget to bring your vaccination card. So, ngayon, ang ulam natin is pagkasyahin natin itong dala kong 70,000. So, later, titingnan natin kung saan naabot yung 70,000 natin. So, bye-bye! Ate, magkano ang kilo ng manok? Ito ate, patry niya ako nito.